But with Somaliland there again, man. Google, where is Somaliland? Hey, sir. What, my son? Yeah, me can't find my last movie. I try to find Somaliland. You think they can help me with the directions? Boy, me can help you, man. Alright. What you do? You see, I make the first straight, go up this up. I make the first straight, right? You make a left turn, then a left bend. You make the left bend, you go from the right corner. So once you make the right corner, you make a left end. You when you go straight up, you just go straight round the one corner like this. When you go further up, you make a right straight, you make a left straight and a turning left. You see me a chin shot. You see after you see me a chin shot, you just go over on the banking there. See after you pass the banking, you just go straight up and here further left. You see after you make a right bend and a turnpike turn.
Right bend and a turnpike turn.
Straight over the part there. So when you go over the part there now, you just go round this up. You see after you go round this up, you have a left turn up this up. Alright, what you know, this they get tricky. You see after you make the left turn up this up, you have a right bend. You have a straight corner up ahead. You see when you pass the straight corner, you can't miss it. You be right from the left end. You see me? Alright. You know, alright. Watch out. Yeah. One, I'm showing me a talk. Yeah, one, I'm showing me a talk. Alright. Make a straight left. No, look at it. No, boy, everywhere. Make a straight left. Straight. Yeah, go straight up. Yeah, make a left bend now. Not make a left bend, you pinky, hey. Go straight up. Go put the straight end out there now. Yeah, so I can make the straight.